So you just come out of the village there. There's the Marvel Hotel, Sequoia. And here is the beautiful Newport Bay Club Hotel. So we're very fortunate to our own bar at the Disney Newport Bay that is actually open from 1:30, because we've discovered that all the other Disney hotels bars don't seem to open until either 4 or even 5:30. So thankfully we have our own lovely bar. So we're in room 5317 on the 5th floor. I think the fire gives that away. As you come in, you've got an iron and an ironing board, some storage, quite a few hangers. You have a safe. We'll have to figure out how to use that. I think that's a child cot or something like that up there. And probably under there you'll put your suitcases. Around here we've got a mirror. That's just a bit of storage and a hairdryer. The bathroom. So this isn't really themed very Disney, is it? It's just, oh, they've got some little goodies there. And around here, I assume is the toilet. Yep, the toilet around there. Got a big long dress mirror there. Don't want to look at that after a day of travelling. And here's the room. It's a really nice room. Very nautical feel, the hotel. It is a very big hotel. We had to walk quite a way to get to ours. I'm dreading David, who gets lost. He's definitely going to get lost in this hotel. So there's 2, would you call them king-size beds, Dave? So I've got some good storage. Oh, they're big drawers. Look at that. They're big drawers. And a television. Oh, coffee machine. So a coffee machine and a kettle. And there's all your supplies. Oh, what's this? Oh, we got some lanyards and things. Oh, check. Oh, I need to go and have a nose and see what these are. Got some lanyards. Anything else in there? Don't know what that is. Oh, I think it's a luggage label. What's this? Oh, just a bit of goodies. Tells you about your room and the servicing. And we've got quite a decent sized balcony. Oh. It's raining. Well, it's nice having a balcony though. Want to come back when you come back from the room, when you come back from the park. So yeah, really happy with the room.